We're working on the Thunderbird today, the 5.0. I went ahead and removed the alternator, so we got one bolt here, one here that I'm trying to get back on there, and then you got one. Got one back here, and then obviously disconnect your electrical connections, and then you gotta loosen up your belt tensionator, which you can just put a 3/8 drive in there, and it's a lot easier if you remove your air filter hose. And yeah, so let me try to put this back on. It's the same way, removing it and putting it back on. Okay, and if I didn't mention, obviously always remove your battery. You don't want to have some kind of electrical. Remove the battery first before you work on the alternator. I mean, it's pretty common sense, you guys. So you just gotta wiggle this in there. And we got this other bolt. Kind of have to wiggle it. And then we got this bulb. Got this bulb in the back. It goes right here. But let me put this camera down for a little bit. Okay, I tighten the bolts. So we have this one, and then that back one. And then just go ahead and connect everything back. Get that one. And put your nut on there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't want to over tighten it. Put this back, this plastic. Now the belt. changes. I have these hex drives. We're using the 3/8. I don't have a breaker bar, so I just use this aluminum pipe. Just ways to figure it out, man. But yeah, I just gotta put that belt back on there and we're good. Well, see you guys around.